Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jael, and today I have this very simple, very quick and easy video for you guys. I'm just doing a basic quarantine makeup guide. This is essentially just if you are at home and you're like, you know what, I need some makeup therapy. You just want to throw on some makeup and make it really easy and soft. This is great for you. Or maybe you have a Zoom meeting coming up and you wanted to just glam up a bit, you know, feel free to take away or add on however you feel it is needed. So I'm just showing you guys that I outlined my brows into the shape that I want off camera, and now I'm just doing my very popular trick. It's not my trick, it's a very well-known little tip to make sure that your brows just look like you put in a lot more effort than you actually did, which is just taking some concealer and cleaning up underneath them. It will just really make everything look a lot more even and a lot more kind of precise and put together. After that, I go in with my brow pencil and just fill in any gaps where I feel like I kind of messed up when I was doing the concealer, and then I take some brow gel just to blend everything together, fill in any sparse areas, and just kind of give my brows a more fuller, put together appearance. Now I'm picking up these two primers from e.l.f. I will have all the products I use listed down below. And then I'm taking my Origins foundation and I'm popping in some Fenty for color. Probably could have added in a little bit more Fenty just to make the color a little bit deeper, because with the lights it's looking a lot lighter than it was in person, but that's neither here nor there. And I'm just going to add on some light coverage. I'm not really looking for full coverage or anything like that, just more of a like even balance of skin tone. So that's the focus. Now I'm doing this concealer trick that I have been loving. I learned this past year. Basically what you do is you concentrate the concealer near the inner corner of your eye, and then you concentrate it on the outer corner, kind of going up towards the temple. This is going to automatically create a beautiful shape that lifts your eyes in a way. It makes everything just look a lot more awake and a lot brighter, and it's beautiful. And it also makes sure you don't use too much product. Then if you feel like you need any more coverage, you can go back and just apply a small amount in the center and just use that to blend out. I love this technique. I love using it, especially on days like this when I just want a very light amount of makeup, because it makes sure that I don't go overboard, which sometimes I can do. So I'm very, very happy that I found this technique. And for powder, I am picking up my Maybelline FitMe powder. I love this powder because I feel like it's probably one of the more natural powders that I have. And it is also super, super affordable. It's not too matte, it's not too hydrating. It's kind of just like the perfect natural finish, and it makes everything look beautiful. And for bronzer, I think bronzer is like the most important step in this look, because bronzer can just really bring your skin to life and make it look so much glowier and healthier. I'm using my Becca Ipanema Sun bronzer. I love that one. I hadn't picked it up in a while and was so happy to use it again. And then I just set my face with my Sephora MicroSmooth powder. You, of course, like I said, can skip any of these steps, but I just like to set my face. And now we're going in with some cream blush. Now, cream blush is going to give you a very natural look. I love cream blush. What I'm doing is making sure that I apply it on my cheekbones. This is going to help lend to the more angular face shape that I'm going for, rather than emphasizing my more round face shape. And when I apply my cream blush, as you guys saw, I use my hand as my palette to help warm up the product, and then just strategically pat my brush first in the product and then on a separate area where there is no product. Then to add in the bronzy tones and just marry everything together, rather than doing eyeshadow, I like to just use some bronzer, so that way I'm kind of adding a nice contour to the eye, giving the eye a little bit more color, making all of the colors clear but not going overboard. And even for highlight, I'm keeping it very soft and light. Right now I'm showing you guys some mascaras that are really beautiful and really great and easy to use, but I decided to go for some very natural falsies, as you guys can see, so I was just tight lining. And for my lip combo, after I line my lips, I like to go in with this Nude Sticks lip and cheek crayon, I think it's called. It's really great. It's basically like a Your Lips but better color. And then I top it off with my iconic London lip gloss. This is my go-to lip when I want to do like a pinkier nude lip. I love it, and I feel like it just complements everything. And once I am done with all of that, I of course am going to set this with my Make It Last setting spray. If you're picking up this setting spray, just be aware it's very powerful, so spray it far away from your face. And guys, that is going to wrap everything up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid.